Another common mistake during the business planning and during the business starting phase is overestimating the amazingness of your business or the size of the total opportunity, because being excited is blinding. And us entrepreneurs, we have this tendency to believe in ourselves a lot, to believe in our ideas, and to be stubborn. I'm really stubborn sometimes about my own ideas. When I get excited about my own ideas, I want to pursue them, and it's really hard to talk me out of it. But I'm often wrong. So I see a lot of entrepreneurs saying like, oh my God, I just got the greatest idea. It's like oh my God, it's $1 billion opportunity. It's some kind of a new social network or a new social app or something else that very likely it's totally not new, but they believe it. It makes sense to them, and it's impossible to talk them out of it. And there's this blind belief that like everyone will use it. It will revolutionize everything. But incredibly few things are truly like that. So the solution is, like in many cases that you'll see in this course, is to get the hard feedback. What's going to save us time and time again is the combination of Steve Blank's customer development methodology and the lean startup methodology by Eric Ries. I cover it in other parts of the course. I won't get too much into it here, but it's basically Steve Blank's methodology is getting feedback before you start, and Eric Ries's methodology is launching quickly and iterating rapidly based only on real feedback from customers who are actually using the product. So you see, this is feedback that you can get before and after you launch, and you want to launch quickly and go to market quickly with something small and manageable, so you can launch and start getting real feedback and getting real world answers to your previous assumptions to see whether your assumptions that it's an amazing opportunity are truly correct. Because who knows, maybe it is, but you've got to test it. You can't just operate based on excitement and assumptions.